lead the program with a big day for Bitcoin, as the world's largest cryptocurrency has seen the approval of the first Bitcoin futures exchange-traded fund in the U.S. The new ETF, which began trading on the New York Stock Exchange on Tuesday, will also allow many more investors to allocate to crypto.
So far, the numbers have been good, with Bitcoin climbing near its all-time high, over $63,000 as of Tuesday afternoon. So just how significant is this for the crypto space? Well, joining us now to discuss is Boombuzz co-host and crypto analyst Ben Swann. Now, Ben, why is an ETF such a big deal for Bitcoin?
Well, it's a big deal for a couple of reasons. The biggest reason of all, and by the way, guys, as you know, we talked about this a lot last week, right? Will it happen? Won't it happen? It's like one of those rom-com movies. Will the SEC step in at the last second and mess this up again? They didn't. And so now we have a Bitcoin ETF. But essentially what it is, it's a diversification, right? So if you're going to get involved in crypto and you say, well, I don't know if I really want to put a bunch of money into crypto and how do I protect my assets? You use an ETF. It's essentially pooling assets together from a bunch of different investors, and then you're purchasing together. So, you know, it's a safer way to get involved. It's much more of a mainstream model. It's much more like buying stock, for instance, where you wouldn't, you know, you would participate in a fund and you would be buying portions along with other people in your money pooled together. So in theory, it's safer, but it's certainly a more mainstream tool that's used to allow people to get into the crypto market. They know about it. They say, I want to be involved in it. I want to buy into Bitcoin. And what you also see is it's going to allow financial institutions to become much more involved in offering kind of these asset pools to buy up cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and to be able to do that. So I think you're going to see a lot more people, you know, retirement funds and other entities who are now getting involved in crypto because of this.
Yeah, and it'll certainly be interesting to see if the SEC tries to jump back in later on in the movie as we go along. Now, already everyone's talking about Bitcoin right now. Some analysts are saying that Bitcoin could jump to as high as $100,000 by the end of this year. Do you think that's possible?
Yeah, it certainly is possible. I mean, some analysts are going as high as $250,000 per coin, which would be obviously